Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how to change your MacBook menu bar. The menu bar is this top bar. So how to change it? Click on this little Apple icon, select System Settings. Now click on Control Center. And from here, those modules are always available in Control Center, which is this place. You can choose when they should also show in the menu bar. So for example, this Wi-Fi icon, you can show it in menu bar or don't show in the menu bar. As you see, when don't show in menu bar is selected, no Wi-Fi icon here. You can repeat the same process for Bluetooth, AirDrop, Focus, Store Manager, Screen Mirroring, Display, Sound, and also now Playing. And for the other modules, these modules can be added to Control Center and the menu bar. For example, you can for the accessibility shortcuts, you can show in the menu bar by enabling this feature here. Same thing for the battery, you can show in the menu bar. You can also show the percentage. For the keyboard brightness, you can also show or hide. This is the keyboard brightness, where it is. Let's close this. And this is the keyboard brightness icon. And menu bar only. Those items or modules are only for the menu bar. You can, for example, the clock. You can click on clock option, and you can, I think, now the clock is always on the menu bar. For the spotlight, you can show in the menu bar or not. Siri, time machine, VPN, and also weather. Let's check this weather, show in the menu bar, and this is the weather. And this is how to change your Mac menu bar easily. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.